Pre-A1 starters, A1 movers and A2 flyers are the first steps in a learner's language journey. Children between the ages of 6 and 12 can take these exams to start learning English in a fun and practical way. The exams for young children are interactive, colourful and activity-based, so it doesn't feel like they are taking an exam at all. They make their early learning experience positive and build their confidence step by step. At Pre-A1 starters, children can spell their name and say how old they are.
Lucy, I am Nate.
A1 movers is the next step in the journey. Children at this level can answer questions about their everyday life.
Who do you play with at school?
I play with my friend Julia.
The next level up is A2 flyers. Here they are able to build and link sentences with words such as because, and, then.
What did you enjoy most about today?
The trip to the museum because I love science.
They are also able to talk about things they have done. There is no pass or fail. Instead, children receive a certificate with shields that recognise their achievements in all 4 language skills. They are a real celebration of what children can do. After taking the qualifications for young learners, students can go on to develop their English by preparing for A2 Key for Schools. At this level, a learner can start having conversations with English speakers.
Can I have a hamburger?
Pre-A1 starters, A1 movers and A2 flyers help children around the world take their first steps towards learning English and lay the foundations for their future success.